1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, when the saints go marching in, now when the saints go marching in, yes, I want to be in that number. When the saints go marching in, now when the saints go marching in, now when the saints go marching in, yes, I want to be in that number. When the saints go marching in, do 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 do, do 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 do, do 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 do, do do do. Saints go marching in, now when the saints go marching in, yes, I want to be in that number. When the saints go marching in. Hey, thank you so much for checking out this channel, and if you enjoyed that cover, then please do me a favor, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more content coming from this channel. Also, I want to thank my friends at Leolani for allowing me to play this amazing T52 4G, which is a tenor size uke with cedar wood on the top and ebony on the sides and the back. And what I love about it is that it sounds incredible. It's got an amazing tone, very dynamic, also easy to play, and for the quality that you get out of this instrument, it's very affordable. It's a great deal. So click on that link in my description box below, and I hope you check out the T52 4G for yourself. By the way, if you're looking for some more music and some good vibes, then check out that link right over there. It's going to take you to another one of my covers that I think you're going to enjoy. Maybe if you have your ukulele on you, you can break it out and play along with me. But check out the link, click on it. I will see you right over there.